one end, one face of the cylinder. It's a closed cylinder. So he's asking how much of flux through this. What is the meaning of that? So the lines of force, how they will be? Let me show the lines of force. So that at least I think in this problem, I am able to show it. I say, in fact, a very good problem to really understand students, like at least what do you mean by flux and what is the importance of this? The red color lines are the lines of force. Is it all the lines of force emitted by the point charge? Are they passing through the lateral surface? Lateral surface means this one, no? Is it all the lines? Okay, now you can see that these lines are passing through the surface. These lines are passing through the flat face of the cylinder. It's asking the flux through the lateral surface. Okay, altogether, how many surfaces we have? Surface 1, surface 2, and surface 3. How the n cap for this will be in this direction. N cap will be like this, and the n cap for this surface will be in this direction. Okay, what all the net flux? What is the net flux through the cylinder? Q by epsilon naught. Then after this, what shall we do? Can we calculate flux linking? What all this net flux by cylinder? Shall we say that flux through the surface 1, 2, and 3, and we know surface 1 and 2. Can we calculate? Anybody? Whose help I should take?
Solid angle.
Solid angle concept. Okay, you know flux 1 and 2. Then substitute will get flux due to 3. There's no other way. We can't do any other thing. We have to go for solid angle. So what is the solid angle? It says it will be Q by 4 pi epsilon naught. Solid angle 1 are that. What is the solid angle? 2 pi 1 minus cos theta 1. So there's a one problem. So what is theta 1? Cos theta 1. Cos theta 1 should be equal to R by root of R square plus R square will be 1 by root 2. So theta 1 will be 45 degrees. Pi by cos theta 1 will be 1 by root 2. Substituting that, two pi 1 minus 1 by root 2. 2 pi get cancels. So Q by 2 pi epsilon naught 1 minus 1 by root 2. Okay, this is a flux. Similarly, we'll calculate the so this distance will be 3r, this radius is r. So solid angle 2 pi 1 minus cos theta will be 3r by root of 3r whole square plus r square. One minus, so this r will get cancelled. So 3 by root 10. So what is the phi 2 should be equal to Q by 4 pi epsilon naught 2 pi 1 minus okay, now we know the flux linking the flat faces. So we know net flux cylinder, then flux to the lateral surface we can calculate. So flux due to cylinder. So this formula. Solving this will get the unknown thing. I'll leave it later on. You can work out. Getting the method still like a without solid angle, you still like a really very difficult. Even for me also. Not only that one, your own physics teacher will really struggle. Not possible. Huh? So the solid angle, what it does, it will really simplifies your problem. So now what I suggest, logical thinking, solid angle idea. Okay, solid angle, it's having its own limitation. We don't have formulas for all triangular phase. Later part, I'll tell you, no, may not be needed. In the revision, when we do know, due to different structure, parallelogram, triangular plate, only circular disc is circular disc and the rectangular square plate have given the formula. For other phases also, I'll give the formula later part. That will be useful for Olympiad or other exams, may not be mains advanced. I'll scroll down, make observation. Okay, this is about the type of the question that they can ask you. In a Gaussian surface, there can be positive and negative charge also. Let it be. Altogether, we have to calculate the resultant field.